Hi friends, in this video I will explain how to add index to the dimension members. For example, here we have order ID and category. We have multiple categories for one order. So here we will add the index 1, 2. If we have 1, 2, 3 like this. So let me write the calculation first. I click and choose create calculated field. Name the calculation as index. So let me explain what index returns. Index returns the sequence of numbers. So right click and discrete. Index is a table calculation. So if you want to restart this calculation for every order, you need to right click, go to edit table calculation, choose specific dimensions and restart the calculation at order ID, because we want to index per order ID. Right click and create calculated field. Now add index plus category. Name the calculation as category index. So this is integer and this is string. We cannot combine both. So using the str function you can convert integer to string. Still we have an error saying that we can mix aggregate and non-aggregate. So this one is aggregated function index and this one is non-aggregated. So even though this is a dimension, you can just add a minimum function to just make it aggregated field. So now the calculation is valid. Click OK. Let me drag this calculation and see the output. So if you see, the index is added, but even though there is only one record, still the index is added. We don't want to add index one when there is one record for order ID. So let me write another calculation to get the count of category, because if the count is more than one, then only I want to add the index. I'm going to fix the calculation at order ID level, because we want to find the count per order ID. Count distinct category. Sum of let me drag this calculation and see the output. Right click and choose discrete. So if you see, for this order we have two categories, so we are getting 2. Here we have 3 categories, so we got 3. That's working fine. So category index, right click and edit. So I'm going to write if condition here. So if this count D category calculation returns 1, then we don't want to add index, we just want the category. Since the calculations are aggregated, I am just adding aggregated function here. Else return str of index. I'll just add a full stop. Click OK. Now if you see, index is added only when there are more than one category for each order ID, 1, 2. So now no index added if the category is only one category per order ID. So 1, 2, 3. I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.